How to crimp a pie crust, pressing between two fingers. You will need 1 recipe prepared pie dough, all-purpose flour, a rolling pin, and 1 9-inch pie plate. Step 1. Lightly flour your work surface. Step 2. Roll out your pie dough and transfer it to a pie plate. Step 3. You can use a knife or kitchen shears to trim the overhang so it's 3/4 to 1 inch all around the pie. Step 4. Fold edges of pie crust under. Step 5. Work with one hand on the inside of the edge of the pie plate and one hand on the outside. Use your thumb of the outside hand to press the dough between the thumb and index finger of your inside hand to form a U or V shape. Then continue the same motion all around the pie plate, spacing your flutes about 1 inch apart. This is an easy way to make a decorative edge on a pie crust.